You need to hear this if you're a crypto enthusiast looking to earn tokens. Step 1. Get a Web3 wallet. Download MetaMask or Trust Wallet. This connects QuestN to your crypto and airdrop rewards. Step 2. Visit QuestN.com, Click Connect Wallet and choose your wallet provider. Easy, right? Step 3. Connect your social accounts. Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and email. Make sure they're active and verified. Boom! You're all set. Why use QuestN? Looking to earn crypto without spending a dime? QuestN is the go-to Web3 airdrop platform, powered by AI. For projects, create airdrop tasks with no coding. For you, complete simple tasks like following or retweeting and get rewarded. AI advantage? Get matched with the best airdrops for you. Let AI automate claiming and enjoy smarter, fairer rewards. More earning, less guessing, zero hassle. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more ways to earn online with task trackers. Join my Telegram for exclusive updates. Link in the description.